Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed mixed on Wednesdays with the Dow Jones and the SP500 on the downside, while the Nasdaq, that managed to close up. The semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, tech hardware and equipment, and retailing sectors, they were the best performers. This while utilities, insurance, and energy, those sectors, the biggest laggards. While on the economic docket, the MBA mortgage applications, they rose 0.1% for the week ended May 1st from negative 3.3% the previous week, while ADP employment change figures, that's U.S. private payrolls, they plummeted to 20.2 million in April, marking a record low. This all as 75% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower or unchanged yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, PayPal surging after hours after saying it saw a strong improvement regarding its numbers in April. Separately, the company announced first quarter EPS down to 0.66, missing estimates from 78 cents a year ago on sales up to $4.6 billion. MetLife releasing first quarter adjusted EPS of $1.58, beating expectations from $1.48 a year ago. While both Dexcom, a continuous glucose monitoring systems manufacturer, and Domino's Pizza will replace Allergan and Capri in the S&P 500 index effective prior to the open on May 12th. This according to the S&P Dow Jones indices. Now, in terms of expectations today, we do have results from Bristol-Myers Squibb, Danaher, Raytheon Technologies, as well as Allergan. While on the economic docket before the opening bell, we have initial and continuing jobless claims figures, as well as non-farm productivity. While in the afternoon, we have U.S. consumer credit. Meanwhile, in the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees further upside, and that's in focus. The relative strength index advocates for further upside. Long positions above 28.43 are favored, with targets at 28.89 and 29.10 in extension, while the Nasdaq, that sees the upside prevail, and the Dow Jones sees a rebound expected.